Guys, it's my favorite dress out of all. Like, Fashionnova did its thing. Guys, I'm so sad right now. Look at this beautiful. This is my classy, always classy girl sets. And the pants might look like they fit in the front, but they do not even zip up from the back. I cannot show you guys. Scream barely does it any justice. Now that it's focusing. Look, guys. Oh my god. Like, what? This is so cute for like say that is so cute. This would have been the cutest. I mean, I guess I must sell the pants on Poshmark. I do want to wear the top of the set, like the top and the little jacket with something. I wanted it to wear all together because it's like a look right here. Fashionnova did its thing with this. But why doesn't this always happens with my body proportions? But yeah, nevertheless, I guess I'll put my Poshmark. This is like so preppy. But you know, I'll do some changes to the look with the right shoes, the right hairstyle, and this. I was about to turn around, then I remember that it's unzipped in the back. Guys, if you can only see that, you'll be scared. What do you think? As soon as I saw it on the website, I'm like, that's so mean. Love it. Okay guys, so this is the flare pants set. One of them. Love this set, except that I would change the pants. Wow, the ambulance, firefighters. I believe it's an ambulance because the hospital's nearby, but yeah. Look at the pants, guys. Take a look. Take a look at the pants. So this chanclas, the chancletas, the slippers are also from Forever. I meant from Fashionnova. Oh, the two-piece outfit and this outfit, it all looks the same, but I love it. This is the midnight mini purple dress. Looks, you know. Well, I just don't like how they made this here. I'm not crazy about it. I wish it was more. You see why it creates that? I don't know. Maybe they could fix it for me because I need it like this. skinniest I have ever been. What do you guys think? A little thicker or like this? Trying to gain some of my weight back.